Hey everybody, it's Loot Crate. No, Nerd Block Day. So I've been doing Loot Crate videos for almost 2 years now. And if you've watched those videos, you know I'm not always happy with what's inside of them. So when a friend told me that this month's Nerd Block was going to feature an exclusive Force Awakens item, I decided to sign up. And they sent me this free welcome box. So we're going to see what's inside. Alright, now I've got to admit, I was a little bit spoiled because since this comes from Canada, it's Nerd Block, they have to list what's inside on the outside of the box. So I know that there is a vinyl figure, a stress toy, toy magnets, one blind bag figure, and I have no idea what that is. Click-galore toy. I don't know what that means. Anyway, here we go. It's got a little bit of a dent in the back, so I'm hoping it's not too messed up inside. Here we go. Okay. First thing, oh my God! I love it already. The first thing I have is a Titans Doctor Who figure of the 10th Doctor, who is my favorite Doctor. That is awesome. It's love it, I love it. Okay, all right, we've established I love it. All right, moving on. Okay, next we have, it's a Guardians of the Galaxy magnet of Groot. I am Groot. Cool, that's not bad. Next we have Nami's micro figures. I have no idea what this is, but it says 3-pack grab bag. Om Nom is a little monster who loves candy. Who doesn't? Okay, and they're just little, I honestly don't know what the hell they are, but they're little, like little monsters and stars. I don't know, they remind me of Runts candies. Huh, I don't know. Oh well. Moving on. Next we have, it's a touch control joystick for touch screens. Well, that's kind of cool. It goes on your keychain too. So if you have a game on your cell phone or your tablet that you play using the little buttons, little like arrows, you can set this on top of it and move it like a joystick. That is kind of cool. I don't know how often I'll use it, but it's kind of cool. And moving on. Looks like this might be the last item in here. It is clickers. Bid me, twist me, shake me, it says. Okay, I will. And it's a Nerd Block exclusive item. Oh, okay. Cool. Alright, you can bend it in all kinds of little shapes, I assume. Oh yeah, it turns this way too. Okay, cool. So. How interesting. You know, it's kind of like one of those old snakes that they had back in the 80s. You just basically, spend hours making it into different things, wasting time. That's cool, yeah. And a card, welcome to the Nerd Block family. Cool. Well, some stuff was kind of just so-so, but this makes it worth it for me. Love it. looking forward to getting September's box at the end of the month. So, see you guys later.